just putting together the branding for the Code Show YouTube channel. Just going to go for our usual unique style that we'll have. Quite a bold effect. The rainbow coloured branding that we'll have. Another minimalist, bold design. So these are the colours that we've kind of evolved with over time. And these colours do actually work, and they're actually there for a reason. So I have the ZX Spectrum image. Obviously I've got the colours that go with our branding. Also used this one on our, it was a 120 by 85 centimetre banner that we take to the road shows in schools. And that was probably one of the nicest images that we had. Which kind of brings the ethos of the Code Show, the British inventiveness, the UK inventing the home computer and bringing it to the masses in that respect. The home computing boom of the UK. Obviously a lot of them learning on ZX Spectrums, machines like that. So we're going to start building up content on the YouTube channel. So I've got the branding sort of set up.